തൊഴുതും വെച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ നിൽക്കണ്ടേ? ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം, അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇറങ്ങിട്ട്. ഇനി ഒന്നും ഇല്ലല്ലോ ലക്ഷ്മിക്ക്, ഇനി ഒന്നും ഇല്ലല്ലോ.
थैंक यू, बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो. थैंक यू.
It is happening. It is happening for a reason. I know why it is. It's called karma.
God, Adam, please.
Yes, chalo, ठीक है, start.
So it started in December 2018. As usual, one evening I was having my tea and I was browsing through the matrimonial site.
And accidentally my request went to some person who stays in Mumbai. I was trying to message that person, but my message didn't go. And next day morning I get friend request from the same person.
She looked quite bold. I remember the first time when we spoke, late night, she had accepted my request and we spoke till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
He was not totally like how I wanted, basically. But you know, somewhere that connection was there.
So I really wanted someone who could be my teacher and then guide me, take me through. So then I ultimately found her and I'm happy now.
Maybe we were meant for each other.
She's beautiful, she's independent, she knows how to get the work done. So it is not every time like I have to be behind her. It is actually the other way around. So you know, it makes my life easy.
He's very loving. He's very loving. He's very caring towards his family, his sister, his friends, towards me.
Vaishak is a very soft, kind-hearted guy. He is there for friends. We do have our parties as well, and he is like the life of the party.
On the day of our engagement, when I saw him, like I never thought that we would have a life together. Maybe that day when when my parents, in front of them, they are making all these arrangements, for him. And when he came with his family, I think so that was a moment where I realized, yes, this is the one.
Love that's one of a kind, to hold beside and fall behind. Wintertime I will find more than what's on my mind, to run and hide far from the sight. Through this forever we stay together, through hopeless times, with all the color more like a treasure.
So now love has got a name, and that's Sri Lakshmi.
Wintertime I will find more than what's on my mind, to run and hide far from the sight. Through this forever we stay together, through hopeless times, with all the color more like a treasure. We're hopeless minds. Dim dana dim dim na 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 dim. Now when I fall through the endless light, stay me laugh and cry.
So one thing that I want to tell her is that She has been fighting a lone battle till now, but now she has got a warrior along with her.
All of these questions left behind slipped away by.
I was proved by him in every decision he made. He knows that I'm always there with him.
He has got a better wife, to be honest, and इससे अच्छी नहीं मिलेगी, इससे अच्छी नहीं मिलेगी, इससे अच्छी उसको नहीं मिलेगी.
Looking in the stars and take a look down as he smiles so far away. Let me take a gaze and sing out loud.
Always I had that emptiness feeling within me. So I started feeling that incompleteness, and she is a perfect mix to that. That is what I could say.
Let me take a gaze and sing out loud. Maybe I can make a change. Do this for
We had our own struggles. I can say that we finally made it.
hopeless times with all the color, more like a treasure. We're hopeless minds.
My parents did too much, out of their limit to make this day very special. I'm very emotional when I say this. I'm always there for my mom and dad.
Don't worry, she's in safe hands.